spins. Slaughter. Lady Avalon, she's drinking. Yeah, are we all? Oh, we're drinking. Not your boobies, you're drinking. Here we go. Oh. Come on. We need something good here. Nothing there. Do it, Train, do it. All right. Okay. Okay. Come on, come on. Wilds, baby, wilds. We need 6 of those coins. I want that bonus in the bonus. Come on, Train. We got some pocket watches, baby. Halfway through the bonus. Coins, coins, coins. Come on, 3 more, 3 more. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Aye, aye, aye. 2 more spins. Really? Last spin.
Oh, I got the train.
Slaughter got the train bonus too. I'll show you in a second. What? What? All right, not bad, not bad. 37 bucks. You want to show it? All right, all right. Here we go. Come on. $3 bet, you guys.
No, $1.50.
Listen, oh yeah, $1.50.
20 bucks.
Quiet.
Coin's always blocking.
Right?
I want the train bonus.
Come on, come on, give him something good.
Top watches.
Nice song though.
Yeah, I like the music.
Yeah.
I don't know how to whistle.
Lydia Allen tried to whistle, she failed.
I don't know how to whistle.
I'll teach you later.
Can you whistle?
Oh,
Oh, you can.
Can't hear it over the slot machine.
yeah, too loud.
I don't know how to whistle.
Do it. Ah, dang coin.
And the coins always get in the way.
Last spin, last spin. All right, can we get something good here? Stagecoaches, there we go. Nice hit.
There we go.
All right, 58 bucks, not bad.
First bonus ever on this game.
We'll see you guys on the next one. All right, we got a spoiler.
What's happening?
Bonus.
I was hoping it'd be the coin bonus.
Yeah, that would have been nice.
Everyone's got a pony.
Avalon's got a bonus. Yeah. Ah, here we go, come on.
Get it like before.
Do it, baby. Come on. All right, we got some bakes. 2-cent denomination. That's good. Coin blocked. Come on, get something good. Oh, really? Wow. Okay. Money. Couple spins left. spin. Can we do it? Can we get a bonus and a bonus? Nope. All right. 33 bucks again. See you on the next one. As soon as I hung up, Slaughter got the
Just like
bonus.
before.
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right. Big Slaughter here on Avalon's channel. $3 bet. Oh, this is gonna be good. I got a train in the bonus. I want the coin so bad. Oh, I got the coin bonus. Yes.
Wow.
Finally.
That's amazing.
Glad you got the camera out.
I know you.
All right, so we got, what's that, 34 bucks plus. Here we go. Now we want the trains to grow it. If you get to the top, it gets really crazy. I've only seen it once. Come on, we need the... Come on, we need the arrows. We need to get up there. We got them up there. We need, oh, that's what we needed, that green thing that went behind there. Oh, we got it. It opens up a reel. Or no, it collects them. Or no, it increases them. I need the railroad thing. It's kind of like lamps a little bit. Come on, I need the arrow. Yeah, it's kind of an unusual game. Come on, I need that arrow.
$600.
Oh my God, look at that.
Jeez. Where are the rest of it?
Wow. Hey. Aw. We didn't get up there. If you get to the top, you get like a train goes by with a bunch of money on it. Yeah. All right, let's get it again. Yeah, that was my first spin of the bonus. Come on, don't block it. Oh, it didn't block it. Oh, there you go. Nice little hit over there. Okay, don't block it, don't block it. The pink coin. Get it. $98, come on. Let's get a train again. All right, $20. All right, come on. Train. All right. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Oh, you got it.
Oh, nice. I was trying to change the denom.
Wait. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it. See, we don't have to keep the video going. I hope you get all the way up to the...
Dude, that would be amazing. I was literally
$3 bet now, too.
pushing that. I rose my bet. I was pushing that to try to change it. I was going to go to 5 cents. All right, we're starting with 22.80. Here we go. Right? Let's do it.
We go.
we go. Come on, Railroad.
The arrow.
Oh,
Arrow.
okay. Uh-oh. Save it, save it. No way. Are you serious? Wow.
All that.
That is shameful. Ay, ay, ay. 2480. What a spoiler alert, right? Jeez. All right.
It didn't give you the spoiler, did it?
It did. It
Oh,
kind
it
of. I think. I don't know what it did.
I don't think it did the
It did a
train
thing.
come
The train was there, and then it like went over the ridge, and I was excited. See you on the next bonus. All right.
Train. I hope it's a train. It's a train.
Oh, it's
Yes,
the coins.
got it.
Train. Yeah,
That's what
baby.
you want.
375 on nickels. This is our makeup bonus, you guys. Come on. Let's do it. Any more? Any more? Do it, do it, do it. Oh, they all fell by. That's all right.
More in the bonus.
I hope so.
Get some arrows.
This is the most epic sounding game I've ever heard. All right, we're starting with 22 bucks. All right, settle down. Here we go. Come on. Let's get some words. Oh, what is that? What is that?
That could be the major.
That could be huge, huh?
Yeah.
There's that major up there. Look at that. Oh, man, I know, right? Come on. Let's unlock those levels. All right, there we go. Yeah!
Give it 35.
Look at that, 35 bucks. We want that one.
Yeah. It could be a collapse. It could be an arrow.
Either way, it's good.
Yeah. It's something you want.
Arrow, arrow. Oh! Do it, do it! What is that? Oh, nice! I like that. I'll take it.
Yes.
Yeah, baby. Opens the next row.
Just one more.
One more, we get that one right there.
And the fun really begins when you get to the top.
Oh, there's more above that?
Train that goes by.
Oh, I want to see that train. I love trains. All right, come on, come on. First time playing this game. Oh.
Arrow.
There we go. We got it, you guys. Hell yeah. Do it.
One more now to get the arrow.
Blue. Hell yeah.
One more arrow.
One more arrow? Oh, one more arrow. We get that top train. Heck yeah. I don't know what that means, but we're going to get it. We're going to get it, you guys. Come on, come on. Yeah, we got it. Hell yeah. Come on. Do it. Do it. I don't know. Starts after the feature. All right. Let's do it, you guys. Come on, come on. Yeah, do it, do it. Add it all up. This is a great bonus. Yeah. Heck yeah, come on. There we go. All right, we done it again. Yeah, baby.
I think there's a train that can collect them all too again.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's like luxury line.
Yeah. It's kind of like lamp. It's like lamps.
Let's get another door. Come on, come on, do it.
Rescue. Anything.
Ah, all right, but we're not done. We're not done. Come on. It's not over. It's not over. Heck yeah.
Yeah, babe.
All right, let's see the next one. Gold trade feature. Heck yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah. We got all the way to the top.
Come on, come on.
Very rare.
Oh, man. What's happening? I don't know what's happening. Oh, here we go. Oh, minor. We got the minor. Nice. That's 250 just for that minor. Mini for 50. Nice. Look at that. It's another 600 bucks on top of what we won. That is amazing. Wow. Hell yeah, guys. Woo! Dude, that is an amazing bonus. This is my new favorite game. Yeah, baby. Yeah. 5 cent denom. Da 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 da. Hey. Lady, how much? Yeah. Not bad. I'm gonna speed this up. Look at that. Boom. Beautiful bonus, you guys. Heck yeah. Very exciting.
I mean, I need kind of.
We'll see you on the next bonus, guys. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do one backup spin. Here we go.
Give it again.
And what's your name?
And we're done. Nice. Heck yeah.